Hello everybody. Today I will make small and cheap NAS storage to download and stream media files via DLNA protocol. Base of this project is old Orange Pi 0, old IDE HDD in USB case, and Armbian Linux. Also server have self-written web interface on Python. Let's start. First I go on Armbian website and download Armbian CLI version for Orange Pi 0. Armbian is pretty good for small projects and servers on SBC computers. Also Balena Etcher is needed to write image to STCard. Can be downloaded from balena.io website. Installing Balena Etcher and writing downloaded image of Armbian into SD card. It takes some time. Later I copy start up to HDD, it will increase system speed. When image writed, put STCard in Orange Pi and boot up it. I checked on my router new client IP address and connect to it with SSH client. On first startup need to change root password, choose default shell, and create new user account. Next I start utility to copy system files on HDD, run command NAS to install. User-friendly app that helps to make booting from HDD. Just check destination HDD, and press proceed. When procedure done, Orange Pi will be rebooted. When system rebooted it use root directory from external HDD. I go into root by command cd/0. In root directory I make directory storage with command mkdir storage. Next I make this folder available for everyone by command mod 777 storage. Checking by command lslaw. We can see that storage directory have drwx writes that's mean folder is ava. For everyone. Next I install transmission daemon its torrent download ER with web management page. Run command apt install transmission daemon. After daemon installed I stop it to make configuration. Command is systemple stop transmission daemon. I prefer to edit config files with nano editor, run command nano /etc/transmission daemon/settings.json. In config file change download dir to /storage. Incomplete dir to /storage/incomplete. Incomplete dir enabled to true. RPC authentication required to false. Press Ctrl+X and then Y to exit and save. Run daemon by command systemple start transmission daemon. And then check status systemple status transmission daemon. Daemon active. Now testing web interface. Not working. Stop daemon and going to config file. Change RPC whitelist enable to false. Save and exit and enable daemon again. Checking in browser, open http:// IP address of Orange Pi 9091 port. Transmission web page working. Let's try to download something. I taken torrent file from Armbian website, added to transmission web interface. Also checking CPU load in HOP application, Orange Pi 0 working without load. Torrent download are working, it's okay. Checking downloaded file with command ls log in storage directory. And see that file that downloaded have user Debian transmission, it's not good for us, I want nobody. Need to edit transmission startup script. Run nano/etc/init.d/transmission daemon. Change user to nobody na group. Save and exit. Then change system service transmission config file by nano/lib/system/system/transmission daemon.service. Also change user to nobody. Save and exit. Reload daemon by command system daemon reload. And run service again. In status we can see that nobody user configured. Changing owning of transmission daemon directories by command chown r nobody na group/var/lib/transmission daemon and chown r nobody na group/etc/transmission daemon. Trying one more time, download something, no result, need system restart. After restart I check by command ps auxiliary grep tran and see that transmission daemon is running as user nobody. Now checking downloading one more time, and yes, last downloaded file is by user nobody and group na group. Going to next step. Installing Samba. Apt install Samba. Then installed, going to Samba config. nano/etc/samba/smb.conf. Change in field map to guest equals bad user to bad password. And also add option security equals user. Next delete default shares. They are in the end. And create new share. I choose share name DLNANAS. Add configuration. DLNANAS. Path equals /storage. Guest OK equals yes. Read only equals no. Create mask equals 0777. Directory mask equals 0777. Save and exit. Restart Samba service. System restart SMBD. Next checking open Windows networking, and we can see DLNANAS share. Creating folder and checking permissions, user nobody and user na group. Now we can create, delete, and change files from network share. Installing NAS software to stream multimedia through network to devices. Sudo apt install NAS. Edit NAS config file nano/etc/minidalna.conf. Change media_dir option to media_dir equals /storage. Restart service. Systempel restart minutulna. Checking status. Systempel status minutulna. Status is active. Checking minutulna service ports. SS-4LP grep minutulna. And last on adding more users in minutulna config file. nano/etc/minutulna.conf. Add in the end of file parameter. fs.enotify.max_user_watches equals 100,000. Save and exit. Then restart Orange Pi with command restart. Now testing minutulna. Going into storage folder and downloading media file. And then checking with media player, if working on it on all other devices also will work. Also check load on CPU, it's minimal. Next installing Light web server to make small web-based control panel. Installing by sudo apt install Light. Checking web page, trying open web page on OriginPi IP address. All working. Now need to write some small HTML page to create simple web-based control panel. About it I have separate video. Going to I just copied index.html in /var/www/html folder. Page working but with errors, need to make some corrections in HTML file. Now it's working. Also to shut down Orange Pi I will write own module on Python. Install bottle by pip3 install bottle. And then create poweroff.py and insert code into it. Import OS. From bottle import root, run. @root, /def index, name. os.system, sudo shutdown hnow. Run, host equals 0.0.0.0, port equals 8080. Save and exit. Run written code by command python 3 poweroff.py. Service started and listening connection on Orange Pi address and port 8080. Then adding in /etc/rc.local. Adding line. Python 3/root/poweroff.py and before exit 0. Rebooting to check auto start. Checking all listening ports with command ss-4lnp. '8080 port is listening, means that all working. Adding to index.html third button to power off Orange Pi. All commands and code files will be available on my web page in description. Checking and making some corrections. Also checking button and yes, orange Pi turned off. That all for configuring. Next part is assembling. I take an old USB IDE HDD. Soldered 5 volts power to power on orange Pi. And connected all required wires. It was simplest in this project. Next one is testing. Just simple test on Android TV. TV found NAS in the network and can play videos through network. Thank you for your attention. Press like and subscribe, also I can answer in comments on your questions.